So the Prelude had survived its first season of racing, but that didn't mean we weren't going to keep busy during the off-season.
Ain't gonna crash. Started. How's it feel in the back?
Nice.
All right, Steven, what are we doing?
Well, we're cleaning out your trash from my car. First step, but we're gonna replace the sound system with air.
We're gonna get rid of the car's sound system and instead replace it with a
Bluetooth speaker. It's like this
Bluetooth
big.
speaker. It's only that big?
Tiny.
Will you even be able to hear it when you drive around?
No idea.
Probably not.
It was really cheap, so I don't really care.
Have you ever turned it on?
No.
It'll be lighter, have a better sound system, and when you're racing, you just pull that sound system out. Let's get to stripping. What are we gonna strip first, the rear speakers or front speakers?
Dude, I don't know.
Or the deck?
I don't know.
Let's go for instant gratification and do the rear speakers first.
Do it.
Do it.
When Steven and I opened up the trunk to inspect how to remove the rear speakers, we were surprised to find some very bad news.
Do you see on the driver's side that lake?
Luckily, Honda, in their infinite wisdom, supplied us with a drain hole.
All right, Steven, poke that hole. Yep. I like it. Problem solved. So make sure before you do any work on any electrical system on a car, like a sound system, you disconnect the battery and then just start yanking wires. Get in there and get it. Get that driver door card off, Steven.
This is really your area of expertise.
Well, it's your turn to learn.
I know how to do it. I just don't like doing it.
Okay, well, do you want to be the camera guy?
Doing this.
Wow! Feel how heavy this is.
Jesus. It's made of metal.
I know.
That's not going back in. Is this the day that the Honda gets stripped?
Like actually stripped?
Yeah.
We might just keep going.
I don't think we should.
Knee pad, give me the knee pad. Ba, 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 ba. Working on Hondas is fun. Dude, there's a button clip right there. Yeah. I just want to take a moment to thank our sponsor, AutoZone, for providing us with great tools and services and equipment, mostly liquids.
Have we used anything today that was from AutoZone?
Not at all. Boom. Dude, there's only one more thing to take out.
Yeah, there is.
Yo, now we're going for the deck without Steven's help. Because he doesn't fucking want to be a part of this project, apparently. Because he has to pee. It's November 5th and you can already see my mustache on camera. It's done. Check it out. Boom! And now it's out. Look what we did, everybody! Woo! So much lighter now. Now is the part where we proof of concept. Alright, well we're gonna use the Unz Angle 3. Which, guys, this is not gonna work at all. There's just no way that that's gonna be loud. Or have like any bass.
Well, Ryan, why don't you keep being a Debbie Downer?
Alright, let's go drive at 60 and see if you can hear it.
Okay, I'm gonna put my phone on bass booster.
Yeah, that's gonna really fix it. It has nothing to do with how tiny that is. It has everything to do with your phone's not on bass booster mode. You know, I do think this sound system is better.
It's absolutely better. It's not even all the way up.
It actually does play pretty loud. Alright, now let's get on Lorraine going 60.
Okay.
Turn the music up not as loud as it was. Oh god, there's a fucking bee in here! Shit! What the fuck happened, man? He woke up! It's a monster!
I can't drive this car if there's gonna be bees in it.
Oh, I forgot that I'm the one that's not afraid of bees out of the two of us.
My skin is fucking crawling right now.
Wow, you can hear it. What do you think about the lightweight sound system, Steven?
I like it. Is there another bee back there?
Another what?
A bee.
What do you mean another bee?
I thought I saw one fly in the corner.
Dude, you fucking better not have saw a fucking bee back there. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh god! Fuck! I've got an idea.
Don't touch it. Don't fucking just stop. Where the fuck is it?
He's behind your seat now.
Oh my god!
All right, you get out. You go run away. I'll kill the beast. All right, this fucker is going down. I think I know what the problem was.
What?
With the bees. The hole for the antenna is a hole that bees can fit in. And then from there, they can go literally anywhere in the car. Right, dude? All right. What is next? The fire extinguisher?
Yes.
What are we doing here, bro?
We're gonna get some fire extinguishers.
Yeah, because we
One for your car. But while we're here, we're also gonna get one for the Honda. And it was Ryan's idea, and it's actually a good one.
First good idea I've had in a long time.
With the Honda's track record, a little bit of forethought, having a fire extinguisher in it is probably a good idea.
Not too bad of an idea. So my idea is to have it somehow mounted roughly there, right? So that way you're driving, you're doing mad skids, you're doing handbrake drifts, and then something catches on fire, but then you're like, oh fuck, dude, gotta fucking put out my flaming hot dick.
Okay.
Or when you're doing the hill climb and you roll the Honda and you're burning to death and you want something to save your life.
We're gonna need a metal bracket for it.
Yeah.
How are we gonna make that?
Well, I have a welder and a grinder and a drill.
With Steven totally convinced that I could make him an aesthetically pleasing and sturdy bracket for the fire extinguisher, it was time to cue the 80s montage music.
You're not excited. I'm stoked. I amaze myself with how well I can engineer things. And you, the viewer, are about to see just how that looks. I'll let the air come back. But this is going super well. Just tired.
So close.
I remember one of the reasons I hate
How cold your hand gets?
it works.
That's good news.
It works. That makes forever.
Probably everything.
There's a fire extinguisher right outside.
Yeah.
We still filming?
Yep.
We're going for it. Damn. Laying dimes, Steven. Ready for more dimes, Steven?
Mm-hmm.
Moving bucket. That is the front half of your fire extinguisher holder. Oh, we gotta drill it still. Pretty good welds.
Perfect.
You excited? You happy with how that turned out?
Yeah.
Welcome back. What do we got going on here, Steven?
Well, as you can see, the Egyptian bracket is bolted in place with all 3 bolts. The one that I did is drilled out and fits perfectly. And the C bracket that Ryan drilled, let's just say somebody else did it. The bolt is too close, so it won't screw on, and the holes don't line up. So we got a little bit of work to do, but I'm confident that we'll get there.
Alright, just finished our 5-minute break. I don't hear any gas hitting the ground.
I don't smell anything.
You don't smell any gas? No. I like how we literally didn't check.
Not a fucking bit.
Alright, I've never seen this before.
Then it was time for Steven to show me his threaded magic rivet machine.
That's how airplanes are made in World War II? Just that for hours?
Yep.
Wow, fuck that. Look at that. Let's do it again.
So I just want to say, for the record, this is not exactly how I would have done it, but it's what Ryan wants.
What do you mean this isn't how you would have done it? You've been doing it the whole time.
Wait a minute.
Oh, wow.
We're a ways down there.
Where's the rivet gonna go?
I mean, there is metal there, but...
4 inches down there?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Fuck.
There's a hole right there. Like, literally right there.
We need to cut it.
Just right there.
Dude, put it there then.
It can't be that crooked.
Yeah, why not? You already don't allow passengers on that behind the driver. Have it at a jaunty angle behind the driver.
Oh my god.
Gotta attach to something.
That's where you're wrong.
If it's so wrong, then why does this feel so right every step that we've come with the Honda? Look how good it turned out. Today's episode guest starring Jamie. We just finished wrapping up the Honda project of the day. Do you want to? I want to see what you think about it.
Yeah, I'm looking for... Oh.
Dude, what do you think?
Oh, wow.
Dude, give it a wiggle.
It looks like NOS, but it's not NOS.
It's not NOS at all. Yeah, man. It meets regulations, we think.
I think it's badass and necessary for the Honda.
Dude, and we stripped the sound system out.
Yeah, we did.
And we added a little Bluetooth speaker.
It's so small you missed it.
Dude, and it's louder than the old one. Dude, when you're driving around pulling mad G's in the corners, it doesn't slide around. Not even when we had to fight 2 B's.
So with that work done, we had removed about 7 pounds from the stereo and then added 7 pounds with the fire extinguisher and brackets. While we certainly weren't going any faster after the work we did in this episode, we certainly were going to be more safe.
Damn. Laying dime, Steven.
Well, safe when we were racing at least. You live and you learn, and that's going to wrap up this episode of Prelude Origins. We'll see you next time when we do a burnout that fixes a check engine light. I reveal a dirty secret about overheating the engine really badly in the past, and we diagnose and fix a problem resulting in getting the mighty Prelude running on all 4 cylinders again. So, see you next time, right here on Carfoolery's Prelude Origins.
As you can see, this is the C shape for the rear bracket. The other one was an S shape, also known as the Egyptian bracket, because it looked like this.